Yes, hello students. In previous lectures, I have discussed about the rational number. In 8th standards, previous lecture I have discussed about the what is a rational number, what types of rational number, positive rational number, negative rational number, what is the symbol of rational number. Already I have discussed. But today's I am going to discussing about the first in a standard form of rational number. After this, comparison of rational number, and after this, representation of rational number on the number line. So standard form of a rational number. What is a standard form of a rational number? Standard form of rational number, a rational number P by Q is said to be standard form of rational number if P and Q are integers having no common factor, divisor other than 1. Means, suppose you have any rational number P by Q and P and Q both having only one divisor or one common factor 1, and there will be no other factor, there will be no other common divisor of P and Q. So it is known as the standard form of rational number. So you will write here in short line definition: P by Q is a standard form if P and Q having only one common factor or P by Q does not having any common factor, P by Q does not having any common factor of P and Q other than 1. For example, 7 upon 8. 7 is a prime number, 8 is a composite number. But 7 and 8 having only one common factor, 1. 13 upon 18 minus 9 upon 5. 12 upon 5. These are the example of standard form of rational number. So after this standard form of rational number, next topic, comparison of rational number. Comparison of rational number means you will find some questions, some rational numbers, and you have to tell there which number is a greater and which number is a smaller. Or you will find questions such that like arranging order or arrange the ascending order or descending order. So our topic is comparison of a rational number. Comparison of rational number. Comparison of a rational number. How will you comparison of a rational number? Means suppose you will find 5 rational number. So you have to apply many process for the comparison of a rational number, ascending or descending order. Any order you have to arrange. Then first you have to find all denominators. First steps. How will you express this? First First, you will convert all denominators in a positive form. First, we should convert all denominators in positive. First step, all denominators you should convert into positive. Second step, each rational numbers obtained in step 1 to in equivalent rational numbers having LCM. Second step, find out LCM of all denominators. First step, we should contain if denominator is given negative, then you should have to convert into positive. If already given the positive, then there will be no change. Second step, find out LCM of all denominators. After this, third step, what? Dash LCM means ki express each the rational numbers, their numerators obtained in step 1. Convert into the LCM as the step 2. Third step, convert all rational numbers in step first. Step first, denominator converts all rational numbers in step 1, denominator equal to LCM. After this, next and last steps, arrange these rational numbers in the increasing order of their numerators. Arrange these rational numbers in increasing or decreasing order. Then you will find these numbers are in the equivalent numbers. And next last, write the corresponding means original fraction numbers in the increasing or decreasing order. Fifth step, write the corresponding write the corresponding of original rational number in increasing or decreasing order. So I will give you some examples and I will explain. It is only these are the steps, but how will you use this? Suppose you will find there are 4 numbers. First, minus 5 by 12, 9 by minus 24, minus 3 by 4, 9 by minus 24, 3 by say 5, and 6 upon 11. There are 5 rational numbers given. Suppose your questions arrange in ascending order or descending order, increasing order or decreasing order. First step, we should convert all denominators in the positive. So here one denominator given in positive. So how will you convert? Convert denominators in positive. So minus 5 by 12 already given. Here this denominator is already given in positive, but this denominator is negative, so you will convert this negative form. So multiply by minus numerator and denominator, then you will find minus 9 upon 24. Here already given in denominator positive, 3 upon 5. Here 6 upon 11. Okay. So you have to see here, there are 5 denominators. What is second steps? Second steps, you will find LCM of the all denominators. So LCM 12, 24, 5 and 11. So LCM 2 6 are 12, 2 12 are 12, 2 5 are 2 11 are. Again 2. Always you should start LCM with small numbers. You can find easily multiply by 6, but we should try from small steps. So 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are and 2 11 are. Again 2 3 yeah 2 6 3 are 5 and 11. Again 3 1 1 5 11. Again 5 1 1 1 and 11. Again 11 1 1 1 1. This process till up to you will find all fractions as a 1, all parts as a 1. Okay. So you have to write here LCM of 12, 24, 5, 11 is 13, 22. So we have find here all LCM of all denominators. After this, what is your fractions? First you see here minus 5 by 12, minus 5 by 12. Second fractions 9 by 24, 3 by minus 4, 9 minus 9 by 24, 3 by first minus 5 by 12, minus 9 by 24, minus 3 by 4, 7 by 16, minus 3 by 4, 7 by 16. So 12, 24, 4, 16, 11. So these denominators you have to find 55. Okay, no? Minus 5 by 12, minus 9 by 24, 3 by 5, 7 by 11. There are 4 fractions, 4 rational numbers. This denominator's LCM is 13, 20. So all denominators, next step, we should apply here. All denominators convert into 13, 20. So minus 5 upon 12 equal to minus 5 upon 12 into. You have to find here in which numbers you should multiply in 13, 20. 13, 20 multiply, divide by 12. 12 1 are 12. 1, 2, 12 1 are 12. 0. 110 means 110 multiply 110 equal to what? 110 ja 5 ja 550 minus 550 upon 12 0 1 3 2 0. Similarly, second fraction minus 9 upon 24 equal to minus 9 upon 24 into 55 into 55. So equal to 55. 9 5 are 45. 4, 9 5 are 45 and 4 49. Again you will see, check here, 9 5 are 45, 4, 9 5 are 45 and 4 49 minus this 1320. Again third fraction, 3 upon 5 equal to 3 into upon 5 into 5 multiply 1 320. You have to find in which number multiplied by 5, then you will get 1320. So 1325, 2 is 10, 3 2 5 6 is 30, 2 0 5 4 is 264. Means here you have to multiply 264 into 264. It will become 3 4 is 12, 2 1, 3 6 is 20, 18 and 1 19, 9 1, 3 2 is 6 and 1 7 upon 1320. Last fraction 7 upon 11. 7 upon 11 equal to 7 into upon 11 into 11 into, you have to divide 1320 into 11. 11 1 is 11, 2 11 2 is 22, means 0 120. 120 multiply by 120. So 7 zeros are 0, 7 2 is 14, 4 1, 7 1 is 7 and 1 8 upon 1320. Means all these four rational numbers you have to convert here in all denominators. So you have to find here. Already I have discussed about corresponding fractions. You have to write here minus 550 upon 1320 minus 495 upon 1320, 792 upon 1320 and 840 upon 1320. So corresponding fractions, these fractions come in this. Second fractions convert into second, third fractions convert into this, fourth fractions convert into this. So what do you want? Arranging or descending order? All denominators are equal. So you will see here only numerators. Numerators in larger greatest numerators. 840 upon 1320, then 792 upon 1320, then this number is greater, minus 495 upon 1320 and minus 550 upon 1320. So you want to arrange in the any ascending or descending order. So you have to convert first this corresponding fraction 7 upon 11. Next these fractions to corresponding 3 upon 5. And next this fraction convert into minus 9 upon 24. And next minus 5 by 12. These fractions are in descending order. Okay. If you want to convert into ascending order, so first you have to write this, then this, then this, then this. So it is the method of writing to the comparison of a rational number. Means like this. This is a great descending order. This is descending order. This greater in this greater in this greater in this, like this. Okay. So this topic is the comparison of a rational numbers. After comparison of rational numbers, next topic I will explain about the representation of rational numbers on the number lines. So these topics I will explain in next period. Okay.